Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Binance's 2FA Google Authenticator. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is make sure the Binance app is up to date with the latest version. So you just go to your Player App Store and make sure it's up to date. From here, open up Binance and log in. Once you've logged in, we want to click onto our profile, top left hand corner of the screen. And then from here, we need to click onto the gear icon, top right hand corner of the page. But before we do that, we need to click onto our profile. And then once we're in account setter, click into security. Then from here, it will show you all your 2FAs. So as we can see, we've got the Authenticator app is enabled. So in order to reset this, what we need to do is click on the bin icon next to it. And then it will say, are you sure you want to remove the Authenticator app verification? So go ahead and click on these two. Just be sure withdrawals and P2P transactions will be disabled for 24 hours after removing your Authenticator app verification. And then the two security verification methods are required for withdrawals and other actions. So happy with that, go ahead and click on continue. And then from here, we need to go to the Google Authenticator app and paste in the code. All right, so I've got the code here, and now I'm going to hit submit. So from here, we want to go ahead and re-enable it. So go ahead and click on enable. And now this is how to reset it. So I'm sure you know how to do this. So if you don't, you need to copy the 16-digit key or scan the QR code here or copy it. Open Binance Google Authenticator and add a new authenticator using the 16-digit key that you just copied. Come back and verify the new authenticator in Binance. So what I'll do, I will head over to Google Authenticator. The screen might go black, I'm not sure, with privacy's inside here. Alright, so I'm going to click on the add button from here, and now I'm going to enter setup key. Now I'm going to call this Binance, and now I'm going to paste the key in here. And now we can choose if it's time-based or that, and I'm going to keep it time-based. Alright, so it says authenticator code saved. So now we need to get that 6-digit code from Binance, copy it, and then head back to Binance. Then we need to click next here. And now put in the authenticator code, click submit, and there you go. That's how to reset your Google Authenticator inside Binance.